In this video, we are going to export the table data we extracted using PyMu-PDF to a pandas data frame, then process it, and finally visualize it. We are going to process the extracted data. Use the method toPandas to create a pandas data frame. For this to work, the pandas library must be already installed. We got a pandas data frame, but the data needs some cleaning. The data frame contains an empty column. Use the method drop to delete it. In the source document, the table's first 3 rows contain columns and subcolumns names. As a result, the data frame's columns need to be renamed. The first 2 rows, as well as the last row, are not needed. Use the method drop to delete them. We are going to work with the column Q1 2024, but the data needs to be in the right format. First, non-numeric characters need to be removed. Then the column's data type is converted to numeric format using the method toNumeric. The data frame is now ready for visualization. The final step is creating a bar chart using Matplotlib. Subscribe for more PyMu PDF tutorials.